my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this vacation makeup look. If you guys would like to see how I got this beach ready look, then just keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and start off with primer. For primer, I am using this Becca Ever Matte Pore Priming Perfector. Wow, that's a hell of a name. So I have been loving this primer, you guys, for a minute, especially for this summertime. It's really kept my oils under control and at bay, because sis, I can turn into a grease ball really quick. I love this primer. It's important to only use a little bit of it, you guys. A little bit goes such a long way. And you always want to make sure you're wearing primer, you guys, because primer is everything. And y'all see I am having some breakouts. I am actually trying some new products and stuff, you guys. So, you know, she gonna get right back with you, sis. She gonna be back where she needs to be. But for the meantime, this is my face right now. She's a hot mess. So let's go ahead and move on to foundation. So for foundation, I am using Fenty Beauty. Why do I keep looking at stuff? Anyways, you guys, this is the foundation I have been using and I have been wearing this summer, especially for my summer vacations. When I have been going a few places here and there, this has been my go-to foundation. As a matter of fact, all of these products in this video have been my go-to products, especially for this summer and just being at the beach and just taking my little vacation. So for concealer, I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape, you guys. This has been the only concealer that has did exactly what I needed to do, especially with these long, hot summer months. This concealer has held my oils down, you guys. Like, I don't have to blot as much. I could probably blot one time wearing a full face or even a face like this for an entire day, you guys. This concealer, like, it does not make me oily. It literally, like, I don't even know. Like, at this point, sis, like, girl, like, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, just get this. I mean, you know, Tarte, you know, we're not even gonna talk about them, but the concealer is bomb, you guys. And if you have oily skin, like, thank me later, because this is amazing for the summer months. And as y'all can see, we got the whole blinds thing going on again. I don't know why. Like, I don't know if it's because of the time of day I'm filming or what. Like, I just have no idea. I don't like to film too late at night because I feel like I really have to do too much with the lighting. And then it just messes up my settings on my camera and all that shenanigans. But I don't like to film too early either because I'm like moving and working and doing stuff. So y'all just gonna have to ignore that. Like, just don't even worry about that. Just cancel that out. And I really want to have me a backdrop, but I don't have time to keep moving and maneuvering stuff. Like, I need stuff to be in one spot. I have a lot going on, you guys. So look, sis, we just do what we can. I'm sure y'all probably not even worried about that. Y'all worry about this beat. Y'all worry about this beat, how to look fine on vacation, sis. That's what y'all worried about. I mean, like I'm telling y'all, like, I don't even need powder with this. Like, this concealer is bomb. Like, it looks like I have already powdered my face. It's crazy. I'm telling y'all, y'all better try that Tarte. And then for setting powder, I'm just going to be using my Sacha Buttercup. This powder, you guys, I used to feel like it was super drying underneath my eyes. And I do feel like your skin does change sometimes. I feel like sometimes I have oily skin, sometimes I have combination skin, and sometimes my skin can even be a little bit dry. But I brought this baby back out, you guys, because this has been keeping my skin super matte in all the right places. Everywhere that I need it, it's been doing me justice. And I just put a little bit in the cap, and then I just press it into my skin wherever I need it, which is pretty much under my eyes. I go over my nose to make sure that's set, and then I put a little on my forehead, and then I also put a little bit on my chin. And I don't care if I have my short hair, weave, or whatever, you guys. I do not put a lot of product on my forehead. It's really just too hot, you guys. It's way too hot. And I also don't apply a whole lot of makeup anyway because it's really hot. You only need a little bit, sis. Just enough. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to set the rest of my face. The Fenty Beauty is also a really good foundation if you do not like to use powder for whatever reason, or if you want a super matte look. I mean, it's the concealer and foundation for me, sis. Like, if you want to be super matte and you want your skin to not be super oily or your makeup look like it's sliding off your faces because it's hot as hell, get that foundation and get the concealer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and powder my face. You guys, I have to open this actually. I just picked this powder up from CVS, you guys. You guys know the Soft Focus powder is my absolute favorite. Milk Chocolate is a darker shade. They only have 3 shades, I believe. The lightest shade, like, don't get me lying. But anyways, I use the 2 darker shades, which is the one that I always use, and then I use this one sometimes. I actually had this in my kit, you guys. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I should buy this for myself and try it. Because sometimes I feel like my makeup can look a little bit light, especially when I have a tan. So we're going to go ahead and try this one out, sis. So this is what it looks like, and this one is Milk Chocolate. And I can tell that this one has a little bit more red in it. I can already tell. But it's no problem with me because I am going to be, you know, at the beach on vacation. And we all could use a little bit of warmness and sun. And I don't know about you, sis, but wherever I'm going, I have to snatch the nose. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my L'Oreal Infallible powder, which is what I always use to snatch the nose up with. And then of course I just blend out the edges with my blender. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take my CoverGirl Queen bronzer. And I'm taking this one because it has a little bit of shimmer in it. And I just like it. It's really deep. And it's perfect for the summer months. And it's perfect for vacation. I live for some bronzer. Live for it. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. We are almost finished, you guys. This face does not take long at all. For lip liner, I'm just using this ColourPop lip liner in BFF4. And then I'm also going to use this a little bit to fill in my lips. And then for lip gloss, you guys, this is the only lip gloss that I really love to use on vacation. I just love this color like it's crazy. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. And this is beautiful chocolate, girl. I know you see that, sis. I mean, I know y'all see that. It is just beautiful. And fun fact, you guys, I actually lost one of these on vacation. Like, I was trying to apply it way too much. And I don't know, it probably still is in that guy's car. Because, like, when my lip gloss said, bruh. Like, I had to come back. When I got back home, I had to immediately go to the nearest CVS and buy this again. Because this is just like my go-to vacation lip. Honestly, you wouldn't think something so dark would be a go-to. I mean, but it's the lips for me. And now for the eyes, you guys. Sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, sometimes I leave my eyes just like this. No mascara, no nothing. Like nothing. And then sometimes I will apply like a waterproof mascara, and that's just it, because I want to look kind of like sun-kissed and natural. And sometimes I will go ahead and put on a lash. So today I'm going to put on a lash just so you guys can see what this look looks like. And the lashes that I'm using are by AliExpress, of course, and these are the D23 eyelashes.
I'm her beautiful son.
My handsome son.
Handsome son.
Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face using this Milani Make It Last setting spray. So this is pretty much the look, you guys. Super simple, super easy. I feel like I look like a bronze goddess. I look like I have a really nice tan. So this is pretty much it, the look, you guys. This is a simple vacation beach makeup look. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, more natural makeup looks, and go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, sis? Like, you just looking, you just watching. So if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.